how to verify your Twitter account. So if you want more videos like this, click that subscribe button and that bell icon on so you will be updated if this channel have uploads. So what we are going to do here is go to your Play Store, and in our Play Store we are going to search for Twitter. So basically what we are going to do here in the Play Store is to check for updates. So for me, as you can see, there are no updates available. It means that my version of Twitter in my phone is updated. But if you have, just update it, and if you don't, just open it. So I'm opening now my Twitter, and in here in our Twitter account we are going to click on our profile.
안녕하세요, 제니입니다.
The top left, and see what is Twitter Blue. And Twitter Blue here is a subscription for Twitter where you can verify your account and your account have a blue check on the side. So if you are able to subscribe to this, you are going to have that blue check and your account will be verified. So I hope this tutorial helped, and see you on the next video.